Hello. Today we're going to make pasta primavera. Chef does not feel like introducing the ingredients, so I'm going to do that for her. We're going to start with some scallions, some freshly grated Parmesan cheese, green beans, asparagus, grape tomatoes, fresh basil, and garlic. And we're going to serve that with some organic penne pasta. The water is boiling and we're going to start sauteing the vegetables. Okay, we're going to start with a little bit of olive oil. We're going to saute the garlic. We're going to add some butter. Looks like it's a quarter of a stick. You find when you add a little bit of butter, the garlic does not burn. Now we're going to add the asparagus. And the green beans. Saute the asparagus and green beans for about 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to add a little bit of salt. Now if you like your vegetables crunchy, you can saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. If you like your vegetables a little bit more well done, you can continue sauteing them for an additional 2 minutes. It's all preference. We're now adding the grape tomatoes. I know it seems like a lot of tomatoes, but we love tomatoes, so that's what we like, and that's how we like to prepare it. You may want to add less. It's all preference. Season your sauteed vegetables with salt and pepper. We're going to take a little bit of the pasta water and add it to our vegetables. Chef is going to add a little spice to it. We're going to use some crushed red pepper and maybe a pinch. If you like yours a little spicy, you can go ahead and add a little more. Alright, now we're going to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream. Again, it's up to your taste. If you want a little richer, add a little bit more cream. That's totally up to you. Now we're going to add the penne pasta to the dish. Turn the heat down to medium-low. We're going to add some of the green scallions that we chopped up. Stir all the ingredients together. Already smells divine. Can't wait to eat it. Now we're going to add some of the freshly grated Parmesan cheese. This is going to kind of bind everything together. And once again, stir all the ingredients. Turned off the heat, and now we're going to add, we're just going to break some basil apart, some fresh basil, and we're just going to add it to the dish for another layer of flavor. Basil smells really good, so can't wait to try this. It's looking good. Alright, this is your final dish. We topped it off with some of the fresh basil and some more of the crushed red pepper for a little bit of additional spice and some additional black pepper. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Bon appetit!